This is BB Venture Art. I'm here to train you on how to make a new design of crinoline with your wire. I'm going to use wire. I'm going to use crinoline. I'm going to use my trim. This trim, or you can use this one. You need your scissors, you need your plier, and you need your needle and thread to do this work. You take your crinoline, the length is 30. The first thing you will do is that you will fold the mouth of your crinoline like this. Then take your needle and thread, you tack it. You tack it in the mouth. Then turn it to the other side. You do the same thing. You fold the mouth and you tack it. But the next thing you are going to do is that you run your stitches. You run your stitches from here to the end, like this. Draw the thread, everything will come together. I draw the thread together. At the middle of it, tack it together. The next step now is to take your wire. This is my weight of it is 39. Then upside down. This is the front and this is the inside. This is the back. You put your wire inside. You can see it. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sew this wire around the edge of the crinoline. From the middle. I'm still using the same needle and the thread, joining. Then you tack it there. From there you tack it. And sew it around the crinoline. As you are sewing it, you can use your hand to bend the wire to the shape of the crinoline. In this edge, you bend it inside like this. You know, it's like this. Then you bend it inside in order to fit into the crinoline. Then you tack it again. You have to end the edge at the middle where you tack the crinoline. You end it there and make sure you tack it very well. You can see it. I've finished sewing the wire around. Look at the shape, to give you a shape like this. Then the next thing now, I'm going to design the center using 1.5 crinoline. The design I'm going to make, tack the mouth. Then open the middle like this. The middle, this is the needle. Then make stitches at the middle down to the end. The hem is at the center of the crinoline. You can see it. I'll make it to the edge. Then draw it. Draw the thread. Draw that center thread. Draw it together. Use your hand to draw it. It will give you a design. See the design. To give you a design like this. Then at the edge of it, tack the mouth. After you have drawn it, then tack the mouth. You can see the design. Put your design on it. The design. Tack your design on it. You can see it. You can put your feather, put your accessory on it. I'm going to use my trim to cover the wire with the crinoline. You can use your gum or your B6000. You can use. I'm going to start from the back because I want it to end at the back. Put your gum. And start from the edge here. You can see it. I finished putting the trim, then tack it together at the back. You can see it. See, give you a face cap shape. You can see it. Give you a face cap shape. Then put your rubber band, your Alice band on it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.